Hello dear customer, this is Ivan from QLQ company. Today in this video, I will share with you how we can operate our shiny silver effect polishing machine. So now follow my video and I will share with you. Okay my friends, so after we connect the electricity, we connect the polishing wax and we install the zipper into this machine successfully. And we connect the dust collector. So now we can try to start this machine. The first step is that we need to turn on this power switch. We turn right and we turn on this green switch, we turn on, and then we just need to press the polishing stone because now I already pressed this stop button, so I need to lose this one and just need to polish it. So now this machine working. As you can see, after this machine working and this schedule will start working, and every 16 seconds our spring gun will working one time. So you see now this working situation is very stable. The zipper will go into this part and go into the polishing chamber. You see, and there are totally 8 pieces the wax spring gun. And there is something I want to get to know is that there are totally 8 pieces the wax spring gun, but they cannot working at the same time, because if this 8 pieces spring gun working at the same time, it will waste a lot of polishing wax. And every 16 seconds it will work one time. And after going through these 16 polishing wheels, the zipper will come out from this here. You see? So now let's check in the polishing result. You see, this is the original one without any polish. But this one is the polishing one. You see, after polishing, it becomes very shiny. You see, it is very clear. Okay my friends, so this is a brief introduction of how we can operate our shiny silver effect polishing machine. And if you want to know more details of this machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.